What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we'll cover Serum and the SRM token, which I'm a little bit late, but yesterday it was massively bullish. We're still up about 17%, but in totality this entire move from the bottom was roughly 200%, which is absolutely crazy. We're still up about 125% actually from the bottom of this this rally. So it has been massively bullish. We'll talk about why that happened. We'll talk about whether we can actually get back up again. And just in general, everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. Right now the volume is well, it's actually crazy. It's at 1.1 billion. Market cap, as you can see, at 115 million right now. Whether that's deserved or not, that's up to you. But the biggest thing is, and I think I'll name this video something like why is Serum rallying? I think, and that might not be nice to hear, but I think it's quite manipulated. All right, right now the volume, as you can see it right here, it's actually pretty decent how the volume goes. But if you take a look at the source of the volume, you can see that that over 75% of the volume, almost 850 million, is Korean volume. And there's nothing wrong with that. I know it's morning here in Europe, so in Korea they have been trading for a couple of hours, but this is not normal. All right, they're normally not this much volume comes from Korea. All right, in proportion to the rest of the volume in the rest of the world, it should not be this high. And I've seen this a lot of times, also with Serum. It has happened with Serum a number of times earlier. But usually when this happens, there's a increased risk of a pump and dump, and it's 100% manipulated. All right, there's no bullish fundamentals behind Serum or anything right now. So that's something you should know. Now, the main thing is that even though this manipulation is not great, it is not the end of the world in crypto. All right, sometimes this manipulation can actually take care that the price will go up even more. All right, so we'll talk about whether that's possible. Right now, we found resistance here at the 60 cents level with a 0.618 fib. Drop back down, didn't even find support at 50 cents, which is a big red flag. It's a bearish confirmation, but now we have this level around 45 and 40 cents. So the big thing is that if we can actually hold 40 cents for the next 2 or 3 days, all right, so then we are actually showing that Serum has some real strength. Then I think we can break above 50 cents and get up to our next price target at 65 and 70 cents, which is the next strong resistance level. So even though it's manipulated, we can still get a new higher high, but we need to hold 45, 40 cents, that level. All right, if that breaks, which at this point of time, I'm going to be 100% honest with you, I think it's more likely that sure, we will hold that, but that somewhere in the next 2 days, we will break it, drop back down to 35 cents. And the moment that happens, so if 40 cents breaks, we'll drop down to 35 cents. I also think we'll drop down to this level right here between 30 and 27.5 cents. And I do think that level will hold, so we will not lose all the gains. But yeah, just in general, I would definitely advise you to be careful. I've seen market circumstances and volume circumstances like this a lot in the last year, and there's usually there's more people that lose money than win money. So if you do want to trade this, make sure to use stop losses, be careful, just yeah, in general. So yeah, this is really my most likely scenario, but I do want you to know that if we can actually hold 40 cents, because in the end, there is a big and strong community behind Solana and therefore also behind Serum. If we can hold it, then I do think we can still break above 50 cents and get a new higher high. But I would say this is like a 15% chance, and this is like an 85% chance probability. All right, so that's my take on Serum today and this weekend. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.